We're here in Mount Beauty for the first WorkSafe Country Club Week of 2026.
It's a hidden oasis, it really is. And I don't like saying it because I don't want more people to come here. People come over the hill and they go, oh my God, you've got a lake here, you've got a river, you've got facilities everywhere. Why haven't we heard about this place before?
Yeah, it's a beautiful part of the world. It was a great place to grow up. We were skiing on the slopes and fishing in the river. In terms of childhoods, yeah, it was a dream.
In '75, it came to the situation where Mount Beauty realised that we couldn't support a football team anymore, and rural families in Dederang were downsizing and having less children and realised that they couldn't support a team. We got in together and went, well, we have to amalgamate, we're close enough.
The club is quite underestimated in what it does for the community. It's kind of that social focal point that we probably don't think about until the season comes around. I think COVID especially kind of woke people up a little bit to the fact what going out to footy and netball on a Saturday really means for people.
Oh yeah, that's a great thing for the farmers and the other working people. Things like football and cricket brings them all together and they leave their troubles behind.
Working Safe is a team sport. We as inspectors come to regional football games like this to catch up with people that we meet in the workplace, spread the word. We're a lot more focused on education now and help people make an informed decision about their workday and go home safely. That's what we like to do at these games.
So I'm a school teacher. I work at a special school in Wodonga. I love the environment and I love the people.
So I just do admin at Wodonga TAFE. Office space doesn't scream a lot of danger, but the ergonomics involved in it, making sure that you're right at work so you can be right at home.
It's been amazing having WorkSafe here. I know Thursday night there was quite a bit of a buzz around the footy club.
It's a big deal for our club. I mean, Rani especially at the netball was amazing.
We sort of kept it a little bit under wraps that Tom Boyd was going to be here. On the Thursday night when people started rolling out, they're like, geez, yeah, who's that big unit?
Well, we're in the 25th season of the WorkSafe Country Club games. Footy and netball clubs are the heartlands of these local communities. They're the best place for these conversations to happen. So we take that opportunity to really push home the message that working safe is a team sport, and we want everyone to get home from work safely so they can get to the footy and netball on the weekend and connect with their community.
Like all country clubs, you have your ups and downs. Our last premiership was on my cap years, 2003.
We've got Josh Cable back as our playing coach. Fantastic player.
It's such a good group of blokes. Yeah, they haven't been getting the wins on the board, but the feeling around the club's still been great. Our focus is to just continue to improve. I know for myself as a junior, it was really amazing to have senior connections. This pre-season we've set up a junior mentoring program, so each of our senior players has an under-17s and an under-14s kid who they're assigned. There's no bigger thrill for an under-14 kid than, you know, a senior bloke coming up and getting around you and giving you some feedback. It's such a good thing for the seniors to have too. Already we've seen a big shift, I think, in the culture of the club around that.
I couldn't be prouder about the way the people that are new to the footy club stood up today. Yeah, we didn't get the result, but we never stopped. It's a stepping stone, isn't it? We keep dishing that up, we'll crack sides.
This place is really close to my heart. I've played most of my football here. I have played at other senior clubs in the area, but nothing feels like home. Yeah, there's nothing like rolling around Tuesday, Thursday, and then Saturday with the people that you really care about.
At Mount Beauty, I try to do everything. And I mean, I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm in there cleaning the toilets, sweeping out the rooms, I mark the lines. I don't care. I'll do anything to keep this club going. I love it. I love it.